Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make test circular in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to a new file to create a new document. I will use this preset and keep this setting and create a new document. Next, we can go to left toolbar. We can find type tool, click and hold. We can choose horizontal type tool. And then we can click on artboard and start to type. For example, I type how to make test circular. And then I will use move tool to move it here. And then we have two options. The first option we can show context show taskbar. Another option we can show the properties window. And then we can find the option dynamic test. We can find the same option in context show taskbar. This is new feature in Photoshop 2026. If you want to use it, you can install Photoshop 2026 here. Now I click to use dynamic test. We can have option to change it to circle shape. And also we can change it to arc, oval, and also we can change it to block. I go back to circular. Now I move it to here. We can customize the circular shape. We can go to properties window and then go to adjust the spacing between the text. I increase it. Actually, we can go to dynamic test. We have option to make it above the path and center the path and inside the path. And also we can change the direction. Furthermore, if you want to customize the shape of the circular, we can add space. For example, I use double click to select the text and we can add spacing to adjust the circular shape. So this is how we can make test circular in Photoshop 2026. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.